In December 2024, an asteroid named 2024 YR4 made a close pass by Earth, coming within twice the distance of the Moon. But this space rock is drawing global attention for a reason beyond its size. Astronomers have discovered that 2024 YR4 might not miss us next time. With a 1.6% chance of colliding with Earth on December 22, 2032, this asteroid has been placed at the top of ESA's asteroid risk list. If 2024 YR4 were to hit, it would release energy equivalent to 8 megatons of TNT, roughly 500 times the power of the Hiroshima bomb. Scientists categorize this type of asteroid as a city killer. In 1908, an asteroid exploded over Siberia, leveling 80 million trees across an area larger than Tokyo. A similar explosion over a major city today would be catastrophic. The asteroid's projected impact zone spans vast and densely populated areas, including the Eastern Pacific, South America, Africa, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arabian Sea, and parts of South Asia. Even an oceanic impact could trigger tsunamis and widespread coastal damage. China has begun assembling a planetary defense team to prepare for potential asteroid threats. The country's conceptual plan for its first planetary defense mission aims to deploy a spacecraft to observe and alter the trajectory of a threatening asteroid. Despite the flurry of activity, many scientists remain calm. History suggests that as more observations refine our understanding of 2024 YR4's orbit, the impact probability may drop to zero. For now, the asteroid is moving away from Earth, making its next close approach in 2028. The world's most advanced telescopes will keep tracking it, updating risk assessments in real time. Meanwhile, the international community must grapple with a bigger question. If a major asteroid impact is ever truly imminent, will the world be ready?